Hi, my name is Nadia. Today I'll be making a local Trini dish called Pelau, made during the festivities, Carnival, Easter, Christmas, and generally any public holiday in Trinidad. Pelau is a cook-up of peas, rice, and meat Trini style. You're gonna like it. So these are some of the ingredients I'll be using for the dish, and the main ingredients really is the chicken and the rice. It's a chicken pilau, and we have all these other little herbs and seasoning that goes with it. Let's begin. We're gonna put some garlic in. We're gonna sprinkle some onions in. And here is the chives. We're gonna put some chives in, right? And next, pimentos. It's pepper, but it's not very hot. It has the flavor really, but it's not really spicy. We have this little flavor if you wish to add. It's a chicken seasoning. It's like a bouillon. You can add some soy sauce just to add like a little color. And here we have the sea salt. Okay, so now that we have all the ingredients in, what we're gonna do is mix it. Just enjoy mixing it for the time. While you're mixing it, it lets off a scent of all these nice fresh herbs. And that's about it. You let it marinate for like say 10 to 30 minutes or longer. It depends on your time. And you can cook it right away. It's up to you. The next step is to cook the chicken. We're gonna caramelize the chicken first. So I'm gonna use extra virgin olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. So we have the brown sugar here. We're gonna, when the oil is heated, we're gonna pour the sugar in. So at this stage, I'll probably put some ketchup. You see the color? It's really nice. And then you pour the chicken in. We're gonna cover it so it sort of helps cook the chicken and steams the chicken. So the next step is we're gonna add the rice into the chicken. And you're cooking it for like about an hour or so. And you also want the rice to boil. Okay, so what we're going to do is just like add the remaining herbs, right? Some celery, sweet peppergreen, sweet peppers. This really makes it taste nice, to be honest. I like this. Then we have green seasoning, something that you can buy at the local supermarket. And then you can add some carrots. You notice you need a water now, alright? So I'm gonna add some to use like hot water. So this is just like good enough. You also add something called the coconut milk. Coconut milk, it gives it a nice local flavor. Just gonna put a little bit. It's like a milk. You can use half tin, you don't have to use the whole tin. So we have here some raw ginger. It's a local herb you can use also just to add flavor. Okay, so this is a nutmeg, a spice, and it just adds taste and flavor. So just sprinkle it up.